Majavu is representing Neo Moyela, one of the directors of the Zanzou nightclub based in Pretoria. He says his client has been left distraught by incidents that took place in his club.
He apologizes to those whose human rights have been trampled upon, unreservedly, to the extent that these atrocities were perpetuated at an establishment of which he is a director. He wanted us to put that up front. He did not run away. He is not running away. He is seated to my left.
Neo Moyela, who is one of the directors, has condemned the acts and says he never gave his people the instruction to act in the manner they did.
He does not condone those acts. In fact, he condemns them in the strongest possible terms. The limitation and constraint currently is that we do not want to place in the public domain that which he shares and continues to share with the law enforcement agencies as well as other quasi-judicial tribunals.
Majavu says his client had no knowledge of this incident.
We're not dealing with someone who is not prepared to take accountability to the extent that there is legal accountability to be taken. If at the end of the police investigation he becomes a person of interest, he will cooperate just like any other responsible corporate and natural citizen of this country.
Those in the legal fraternity says the club can be sued.
From a civil perspective, they're the ones that own the club, and the test for liability or to prove your case in a civil case is on a balance of probability. So in this case, if on a balance of probabilities, can you prove that they were liable for the if the complainants are opening a case of, for example, damages that they've suffered, the depression they've gone through because of the assault, and they want to claim compensation, financial compensation, the test will be, can that extend to the club and possibly to the directors? And I think that if there is a strong case of proving that they could have had better security systems and ways of dealing with the issues, I think they can prove that case, and then and from a civil perspective, the directors can be liable.
According to Majavu, Moyela, who has been a director since 2018, continues to cooperate with the authorities on the matter. The establishment has since been closed and its license under review. Calvin Dludla, SABC News, Johannesburg.